What is the meaning of this self-discovery? We think as if Columbus discovered America, so that is what the discovery is. But when you add the discovery, then we have self-discovery. Then we have to find out what exactly it means by discover. So dis plus cover, discovery. So it means there are many layers of the ignorance that is causing this suffering in our life. So we have to remove those layers which is hiding the real self of the nature of peace and happiness. That is what it means by self-discovery. What is self-ignorance? I think I discussed in detail about it. Ignorance, take it as wrong notion, mistaken identity. For example, you look at your wife and you say, she is my wife, but she is a girl, a woman first, and then she is a wife. So it's a mistaken identity. The wife or the husband do not exist in a woman and a man. So self-ignorance has to be removed to enter into the self-knowledge. And in order to remove that self-ignorance, we need to follow the path of the Eastern wisdom. That is the journey of the self-ignorance to the self-knowledge. How many desires we fulfilled until today? Roughly there are 8 billion people in the world, and if you say that every human being has 1,000 desires, it comes to 80 or 80 trillion desires. How many desires the human race has fulfilled? Because they have not fulfilled. So there is a violence, there is a reaction, there is an anger, there is an anxiety. The Eastern wisdom shows a path that why you are running after desire fulfillment, why not run after the self-fulfillment to discover permanent peace, happiness, and love. I talked hundreds of times where the security, happiness, peace are located. It is located inside. But the delusion in the mind says it is located outside in the wealth, in the home, in the recognition. That is what we need to contemplate and understand. That the ultimate security, peace, and happiness are located inside because so simple. What is so simple? Because we want peace and happiness and the security all the time in all the situation with all the relations. If you are not present, it will not be there. So that is why it is located inside you.